Hello and welcome to the introduction to candlestick charts, also known as Japanese candlesticks, and they were developed for over 400 years ago, and most of that knowledge is not really being applied anymore. So that's why I want to make this video series to go back to the old wisdom hidden within the candlestick patterns. But first I want to go with you over what is a candlestick. You might be watching them every day and not really realizing what you're looking at. So on this chart you can see a line graphic. This is what has been used in newspapers a lot. It's presenting the price range, so you can actually see price going up, going down, going up, going down, and you will actually have a line chart. And while we are looking at the line chart, we can isolate the part of the line chart called a time frame. That can be a 5-minute time frame, it can be a 30-minute, an hour, that can be a daily, 4-hour, weekly, whatever you want. And while we are looking at the information given within that specific time frame, we can extract certain information. To start with, open price, it's where the price opens. It's the highest point that the price has been. It's the lowest point that the price has been within that time frame, and where it closes. It's called the open, high, low, close, or better said as an abbreviation, OHLC. While we are looking at a graph like that, line chart, it can become very confusing. So we will try to make it a little easier to see or read a chart by starting to note the information differently. So we're going to translate it. We're first going to look at the open price, and we'll draw a line, and then we'll go up to the highest price, we'll go down to the lowest price, and we're going to end that graph with a close price. Basically what we have done now is we have drawn a bar, and we can put those bars together and we will have a bar chart. It's already becoming a lot more easier to read a chart like that instead of a line chart. We now have a bar or bar chart, but we are going to look for candlesticks. Within the bar that we have drawn, we will go with the open and the close price, and we'll put a body in. It's called a body, and we'll just draw a square, and we will add the information on the top side with a wick on the top side, and the lowest price with the wick on the bottom side. Now it already starts to look like a candle, and as you can see, it's going to look like a candlestick chart when we put those together. The problem, however, is how do you know when it's going up and how do you know when it's going down? So what we have done is we take the open and the close price, and when it's a bullish candle, we will leave the body open. And if it's a bearish candle, that when it's going down, we color it black. In the old newspapers, we had a newspaper and black ink. So basically what they did is they left the bullish candles, the bars were going open, up. They left it open, and when it's going down, they will make it black. However, we can adjust those colors, and what we see currently is we'll make it more visual, and we make the upwards candles, the bullish candles, we'll make green or blue, whatever you want. You can make it purple if you want, and the bearish candles usually is red, because it's negative. Green is positive, red is negative. I think that's why they made the connection. So but basically it's an open candle, and it's a filled in candle, bullish and bearish candle. Next time you're looking at a candlestick chart, think back to where it came from. The line chart, then the bar chart, and finally what you have now, the candlestick chart. There are several patterns possible. There are several different types of candlesticks. So we will go over them one by one in the next coming videos. So please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next lesson. Thank you very much for your attention. I'll see you in the next video.